There's a new movement of young childless men getting vasectomies, reported being very or extremely concerned about the carbon footprint of procreation. Jacques-Yves Cousteau, the French ocean explorer, he thought that we must eliminate 350,000 people per day. The hopeful alternative to the extinction of millions of species of plants and animals is the voluntary extinction of one species, Homo sapiens. Us. When every human chooses to stop breeding, Earth's biosphere will be allowed to return to its former glory. And all remaining creatures will be free to live, die, evolve. Clearly, Ratzinger's concern about the importance of the doctrine of creation is justifiable.